now we've got it all pre-stained up. Let's pre-lacquer it and show you how it transforms into this. All right, so watch it happen. All right, so when you're doing chairs, what you want to do is start from these inside edges and your bottoms. Let's get all that done first so the oversprays don't land on anything else. Even the bottoms of these lids, if you can spray them ahead of time, it really keeps the oversprays off. So let me show you the process of how we put it on the lacquer on the chairs. Thanks for hanging out with me. Now those are the most used parts on that chair, them bottom feet. Now when you flip these over, make sure you don't put it back in the same wet spot that you just did. All right, so we're going to start at the top and we're going to work ourselves down. Watch how this goes. Now we start up here. All right, so now when you do the base, you just start on one position. Like we're gonna start right here on the back of this leg and we'll finish over here. Here's how you do that. See that? How pretty is that? Always a good idea to wet the inside of your edges like that. Helps blend everything in. Alright, look at that. Nothing to it when you know how to do it, guys. And I'm going to teach you how to do it. So thanks for watching. Appreciate your support. See you on the next one. And I'm going to probably put it right there. See you then.